Okay, today I'm going to explain about the STO process. STO, standard stock transfer order process in metal management and transfer posting process. So this will give you clarity about how to explain this business process to the client, like where you're going to implement SAP, okay, in a reality. So when you're going to do workshops, like how exactly you can manage this process, how you can explain, okay. So first I'll get into the SAP system where I can show the system where already that activity is managed in the system. I will show the movements, okay. So in MB51, this is S4 HANA system. You can see the difference, right? Like execute option is in the bottom and MB51 transaction is same in ECC and HANA also. But the view wise, I have put this standard SAP given theme, and here you can see the bottom execute option is there. So here I'm going to check 351 moment type. So you all know what is 351 moment type, which is for the stock transfer order, right? TF2 stock in transit. So where we are issuing the goods, supplying plant, issuing the goods to the receiving plant, right? So then 351 movement will come into picture. Like if I'm getting into this directly, you may not understand if you are a beginner to SAP or this process, but if you're already expert in SEO process, then you can easily understand the movement type which I'm talking about. Anyway, I will explain end-to-end process to all. Okay, now I'm executing this activity with 351. Then if I see the latest entry, which I can see in the system, is this one. Okay, when I open this document, okay, where I can find the purchase order details. Okay, this is the purchase order details where I can take this into the word this PPT. So what I'll do is I'll just add one slide. Okay, here I'll talk about stock transport order process. Okay, let me minimize this. Okay. Okay, so here which details I'm going to refer, like plant. Okay, first I'll take plant number, which is supplying plant, which is receiving plant, supplying plant and receiving plant. Okay, so receiving plant is what? This one, where purchase order be raised. The receiving plant 1710 is a receiving plant. Okay, and which is the supplying plant? 1610 supplying plant. Okay, how we can understand this is under same company code? The company code which we are referring is 1710. This is the company code. How to check this both plants are under same company code? Then go to new screen /o EC01. There you can search structure, navigation. Okay. Okay, here you can search the company code and you can find out the structure of the enterprise, which are all the plants are assigned with that particular company code. You can find out, or you can go to the SPRS screen where you can check the assignment of company code with other plants. Okay, here I'm searching 1710 and I'll enter here 999 maximum entries. Okay, here I can find CORB company code. When I double click on this, this will give you the list of all the plant which we are referring here, 1610 and 1710. Okay, these two are the plant and different cities or location might be. Okay, so when I get into this particular plant here, if I click on personal settings and unclick this display key, save, then it will show the description of the plant, just in plant. Okay, if I go and check this display key option, okay, then save, then this will be showing as 1710 as a plant number. Okay, so then what details you can see compared to normal standard purchase order to a stock transfer order. What is stock transfer order? The stock will be received, or maybe we are going to put a order to the other plant of same company code by requesting, I need this stock for our plant, please supply. So within the company code, there are multiple plants are there, and you deal or you get the material from other plant to another plant like receiving plant, then this will be considered as a supplying plant. This will be where we are ordering creating a order, then it will be a receiving plant. And location also you can see store location where you're going to receive the stock. So okay, and major difference you can see here, the document type used for STO is UB or UB, and item category used is U. Other than that, you can find item details, you can find material data. Okay, all the details will be same. Then you get into the delivery, you can find here, okay, the delivery details of like materials. Okay, then you can see here confirmation. Okay, if any confirmation control is there, you can choose your confirmation control. Nothing is there. And delivery address, you can see the plant details which is showing here 1710, whatever plant address you are maintaining in the plant, that will be displayed here completely, where exactly goods should be delivered. Then other than that, you can find once you receive the goods, then you can see the purchase order history. Okay, this scenario is like without delivery, STO without delivery, intra STO. I can put that here, simple terminology. This is intra STO without delivery scenario. Okay, this is without delivery. Okay, so here you can see history of the material which is received, goods received. Anyway, I will recreate the data for you guys to understand complete end-to-end activity. What I'll do is I'll just create first a purchase order. Okay, or else I can go to ME/O ME21N. Okay, I'll not copy the previous PO. I'll just copy the details from here, from the previous PO, UB. Okay, take UB here and enter the purchase organization details from here, 1710. Purchasing group, which group is going to get the goods, who is managing that material procurement active department, who is responsible to get the material, that is the purchasing group. And then enter the company code here. Okay, this is the job done by end user. Okay, and also consultant should know how to handle this complete end-to-end activity. About this configuration, this creation of purchasing group, purchasing organization, company code, and supplying plant is like what? This is creation of plant details here. Okay, if I open this here, right, double click on this, nothing will it will not take into the vendor master, right? If it is a vendor here, standard PO, then it show as a vendor. I'll show that that also example at the end. Now you can just look into this 1610. I'm just adding here. Then I'm taking this material 210. Okay, so here they are just put a short description like JMC raw material 1 something, but while testing any details or scenario from the client side, always take their real material details and you can recreate the data in the system. Okay, instead of putting some description, dummy description, always create a material data in the system with the proper details, description, everything. Then come to the ME21 screen and create the PO details. Okay, yeah, purchase order. So it is asking for a plant number, enter 1710. Okay, then please enter the supplying plant 1610. So everything I entered, then I'm going to now check the stock of the material. Example, I'll go to first MMB/O MMB/O MMB. The supplying plant should have a material, right? 1610. See, supplying plant already has the stock of 411. So now this particular 1710 plant looking for 10 number of material for maybe some assembly purpose or some activities. Some material you are going to purchase from the 1610. They are the manufacturer of some raw material. from one plant. They have enough time place to manufacture some production activities, some machineries they manufacture, and another plant where which is located in different location, who is responsible for assembly purpose or some assembly activity will taken care, where there is no machinery things and all, only assemble line will be there, or some routings will be there, some laborers will be working on some assembly activities, right? So they will in that case definitely that material will be issued taken from other plant to receiving plant. So now example, you imagine 10 number of stock is required from this particular plant for some requirement. So we are ordering, this plant is ordering, we need 10 numbers for this particular requirement. So requirement details we are not adding here, but at least we're adding required information to understand 1610 plan to supply the goods. That's it. Once I save it, okay, save it. So PO will generate. This is a purchase order number will generate. Okay, this number range is picked up based on the document type UB. That understanding should have like what I can say, like consultant should have knowledge of how this number range is getting generated. 57000223. This is a number which got generated. Like if business want to have their own number range for STO process, STO UB document type, then you can explain this is the particular standard number range is available in the system. Can you use it, or can you go with the different number ranges for this particular requirement? Simple. Okay, then get into SAP screen. Here now, you have to issue the goods, right? How to issue the goods? Go to MyGo and enter goods issue here. Everything MyGo only done, okay? No, there is no MB1A or whatever transaction used in ECC, obsolete. Okay, you can try also. If I try MB1A transaction, okay, that is completely obsolete in HANA system. So get into MyGo's transaction, which will help you to issue the goods, goods issue, and then purchase order, then enter the purchase order number. Copy the purchase order number, enter here, enter. System will automatically taking the details, but here see it is saying purchase order 57000223 has no items. So 351 is picked up automatically when I entered goods issue and purchase order combination. So issue is happening from the plant 1610 only, but somewhere some issue is there. Let me check the ME23N transaction. There's a purchase order. Let me check why system is showing that there is no items. Okay, this is the view which we raised today, June 10th. Okay, here if I get into the confirmation tab, so there is no confirmation control key. I'll get into the release strategy. Anything happened here? So there is no release strategy also there. Okay, let me check once. This purchase order, go to MyGo, enter goods issue, purchase order. I'll remove this plant number and enter this. Okay, now see, I entered purchase order number. Okay, plant, supplying plant, everything it's copied here. Details got copied here from where exactly goods need to be issued. So here you can see the quantity which is asked by 10. Okay, then where the moment I picked up automatically 351 minus means it's a removing the stock from the 1610 plant. Before issuing, I can show the stock of the material. Okay, go to MMB. Already I shown once. Let's show again 210 material. So when I enter 210 material, it will show all the plants. See, 210 material will be available in 1610, 1710, 1719, 1720, 5000. There are different plants are there. 5000 company code also. They have a plant D001. This company code is 1710. There are two company codes are there. In both the company code, this material is there. Under that, there are many plants are there. Many store locations are there. Okay. So to not to get confused with that, get into 1610. Okay. Enter, execute. So you can find the store location. Under 1610, there is a 161C raw material stored in this particular store location. So here you just enter 161C. From this store location, I'm going to, the storekeeper is going to remove the stock physically and posting this document. Okay, this is just a confirmation that storekeeper should do this activity to issue the goods to the particular from this plant to another plant. See, now it is like issue. So how the system will understand like whether it is a transit and all, I will show that. Okay, once I check it, okay, and I'll post it. Test. It's check it, and no stock possible for this material. Okay, so no stock posting possible. This is one kind of error. Okay, if you are facing this problem, okay, definitely in this system some setting is not done properly. Okay, this is an error which you are getting, not possible. Okay, what exactly you should do is, I'll just copy this. So go to OMS2. So this is not end user job. In the production, you'll not find this kind of problem. So everything is fixed only, like everything working only, then it will go to production, the data and all. So what exactly problem is, like now example, if I take this material 210 material is having a material type is ROH and plant is 1610. What I should do is, I should go to OMS2. Okay, OMS2 is a setting where you can manage this material plant combination with the quantity and value update. If it is not maintained properly, then you cannot do the stock posting for this material. You cannot do quantity also. So at least if you check that checkbox for ROH material type, then only you can able to receive the stock. Let me do that quickly. See, I have just picked up randomly. That's why this problem is facing. So it's good that I got an issue. So you are able to understand this particular setting to be done, and after doing that, you can fix it. Okay, this is one of the issue which can be solved during the implementation time. Okay, not in the production system normally. Okay, when you go to ROH, get this quantity and value update. So once you click this ROH quantity and value update, it will pop up another screen where you should find out the combination of the plant and material type. So plant is called valuation area, and material type you have to enter ROH. Okay, this is taking little time because a lot of data is maintained here. So that's the reason it is taking longer time. So meanwhile, let's talk about, okay, once this issue is fixed, then we are going to do the, once goods issue is done, okay, then we'll be working on goods receipt. Okay, then I'll be showing the purchase order history. Then I'll be showing about the accounting entries, if any. Okay, so here I'm just finding out the combination of 1610 material type ROH. So here, see, this is not maintained. So I'll just maintain, save it. And also I will try to maintain for other combination of ROH and 1710 also, because once we receive the goods also, that time also no stock posting issue will come. So for 1710 also I'll check this combination ROH. So here it is maintained. See, so it is already maintained, so you will not get any issue while you are receiving the goods. Okay, what I'll do is, I'll go to MyGo /o MyGo. Okay, here I'm adding the purchase order number. Okay, remove this. Then quantity 10, where add the store production details. Then put this text. Okay, the text, whatever you want to put a document header test. Then item okay, check. So enter store location, add the store location details here, enter, check it. So now everything is good, it is loading. So document is okay, material document level, no issues. When I post it, it should get posted. So material document got generated, this number. So for this also configuration is there. Okay. This part I explained. Quantity and value update is not done. So that's why that problem was showing. Now goods receipt. So before getting into that, I will show how to display MyGo material document. This will be more useful for the end user level and even consultant also. So if you can go through this completely and display material document, and user will not go and check all this document, okay, FI documents and all. But when they have any problem, then you can explain this accounting documents, related things and all, right? So you can see here. So when you issue the goods, both BSX will be there. See, if it is the same company code also, the goods is issued from the particular plant, okay, as this much of stock will be removed, value is removed, USD 1680.99, and the same stock will be moved into the receiving plant. So that's the reason always 351 moment type has these two entries. Okay, if anyone asks in the entry, always you should be clear about accounting entries will happen always during the goods issue time. So whether it is going to happen during the goods receipt, no, there is no accounting entries during the goods receipt time. So I'll show that also. Now see, you're going to receive the goods. Okay, if you have any inbound delivery concept and all, right, then you are going to receive the goods with inbound delivery. But here there's no inbound delivery. Confirmation tab is completely blank. If I use some confirmation tab as inbound delivery, then definitely the supplying plant create inbound delivery, and then you can use the inbound delivery to enter here, and then you can enter the inbound delivery number, then you can receive the goods. Here I am going to receive the goods with respect to the purchase order. So see, before receiving, I want to show the stock. See, now I'll refresh this stock. So 411, some 100 number, right? I think this is 410 something. Okay, let me check the movements here, material movements. So with this movement, 161C, 351, and 10 number is removed, okay, from the stock. Okay, here it got reduced now. Okay, number is got reduced, and here you can see if I execute here. Okay, so you can see different stocks are here, right? Okay, and you don't find anything in that transit here, right? So there is one other program like a transaction is there, MB5T. So MB5T will give you the transition part, okay, like stock in transition. So 210, when you pass the material number 210, anyone can go and get into the MB5T transaction code. I'll enter here. MB5T transaction will help you to check the stock in transit. How much stock is issued by the particular plant. So that can be checked by the storekeeper. Okay. So here you can see, see, this is the quantity 100, sorry, 100 we have taken. This is 10 is like some box, I think. This is total the quantity LB. So it was before it was 411 in the stock, and now it is showing 311 in the material stock. If I go here MMB, I can show that also option. So how this conversion of units will be there. So this unit of measurement is LB. Okay, and when you enter this plant details, okay, the stock was 411. Now it got 311 as 311 LB as unit of measurement. So when I go to purchase order ME23N and I pass this particular purchase order here, and you can see order unit is not LB. So you're ordering the material with the 10 BSX. How the system is picked up? If you go to Metal Master, if you see the order unit here in the purchasing tab, so this is the base unit of measurement, but order unit is something BSX maintained. But here you are not able to see. Let me get into the basic data one. So, or maybe the previously PO they have created with the order unit BSX. That's why it picked up automatically. But in this particular purchasing view, it is not maintained as BSX. Okay, the system picked up BSX automatically in the PO screen. Okay, let me show that back. So ME23N, the previous PO will be there. If I check the previous PO 210, copy this, go to ME2N, enter this material number, execute. Okay, so you can find many purchase order in this particular material. So there you can check the document date. In a latest, you can see today we have created this particular purchase document with UB, and before that you can see there are many NB also there, ZNB also there, UB also there. If I open this particular purchase order, okay, so here see you can see everywhere it is BSX, okay, with this material. So automatically the system will pick up the last order unit details and all directly. Or if you want to change, you can change the order unit during the PO creation time. Okay, so now document you have checked. Now get into MyGo, and before stock we want to check. Sorry, I will get into MMB. Now I'll show you the 210 with 1710. Execute. So I want to see the stock of particular store location. Now I want to get into some store location. Okay. So example here, enter this purchase order number. Okay. And here quantity. And here you can see where particular just in plant you want to receive for some particular store location. So 1000 raw material. So if I check here in the stock 1000 store location, okay, execute. So you can find 10,530 stock already there. Okay, anyway, this is different scenario. Someone has created all this stock. I will not receive to this store location. I'll check for some other store location. Okay, plant 1710. I'll find out this combination here. So what I'll do is I will get into RM00. Let's see. RM00 also has enough stock. Let's try some other. Go to 1710. So I'll see ST25. ST25. Okay, every material stock is maintained. Let's try for 1710. And I'll keep an AFS. Let's see this particular store location. Okay, so here also some stock is there. Just a moment. Okay, this store location I will see. Everywhere they have done some stock. See, anyway, I will. Sorry, this is 1710 store location, not that particular store location. So I'll try to receive for that store location. Let's see. Here I'll just choose some other store location 171C. With this store location I'm going to receive. Okay, check it. Anyway, that is for testing purpose. Reality. So generally you cannot have a stock without any physical stock is getting in your premise. Once a physical stock is arrived, definitely the storekeeper will get into the system and he enter the data, and he or she can issue the goods, receive the goods. Check and post. So now see the document got posted. I'll display this document and show you. Duplicate side. So this document got posted. Okay. Okay, then now I'm copying this and getting into here screen. Not required to copy directly. You can display also here directly. If you get into display here, you can able to display this. Or if you just missed out, then I'll tell you how to, where to go, how to see the list of documents. Here, if you get into this particular document info, FI documents, you can see there is no accounting document for the goods received for the STO, which is intra STO. Okay. Now all will ask like how I can see all this activity, transactions, things. If I forgot, like user forgot all this activity done one time and not able to, just they got system got closed, everything got closed. So nowhere written down the document number, nothing. So not required to put down anything in the hard copy or maybe in some notepad, nothing required. SAP has all the facility to go back and see the report. MB51 will help you to see the report. How to check it? See, example, you want to see for the material, like for the plant, store location, everything you can add here. Or else you want to see all the 1710 plant 210 material with moment type 101. You can check like that. You can see 101 is a goods receipt, and you can see all the goods receipt happened. Okay, see today we received this much of 10 BSX. So you can see 10/6/2022. This is document number. You can open from here, and you can see which user entered, which time, India, everything you can see here. Quantity, purchase order number. You can open here from here, and you can go to purchase order history. In the item details, user will have access to display, like storekeeper will have access to display. Purchase engineer will have access to create the purchase order. So no, all will not have access to create everything. Like in a reality, they will have their own roles and authorization to open the action activity. This is in a GUI screen, but in like in every user have to should go to now Fiori app, Fiori screen, or in the tab. If they have anything like MyGo activity, then they should use Fiori app in future. That will be always good. So here you can see 351 is happened. This is a material document generated, and 101 another material number generated for goods received. Here you can see the stock, which the amount in local currency you can see 1680, which was removed BSX. And this is the USD, which when we receive there is no accounting entry, so it will show as 00 USD. Okay, means plus and minus happens always in the goods issue time. Okay, now if you will ask what is the difference between this STO and transfer posting. Okay, so why, in which case we can do a transfer posting. Okay, if like somewhere the demand is like, okay, somewhere supplying plant has to manufacture some details, so you're ordering them and saying I want a delivery on this date. Okay, then definitely this will be a notification to the supplying plant that okay, these many orders received from this particular plant, let's manufacture, or let's get ready and supply the goods to a the receiving plant. So accordingly they can plan with the proper details, tracking, everything will be there. In case your plant is like side by side and there is no demand kind of, okay, ordering is not required, you can supply the goods immediately from one store location to another store location, or one plant to another plant. Okay, so there is an option, you can do a transfer posting. There is a method like one is movement type 301, or you can go with the method called two-step method 303 and 305. Okay, so in 301, how to handle 301? So let's go to MyGo transaction, close everything. I'll take the material number and go to MyGo and then do the transfer posting here. Select this transfer posting and always use other. And when you enter other, like automatically system will take the 301 movement. Okay, plan to plant transfer. I will do first plan to plant. When I enter 210 material number, it will ask for the destination details and even from details. Like one, I'll take 1610 is the transferring from here, and 160, which is the location, I'll take here 161C. Okay, this is store location, and for the receiving 1710 and 171C. Easily this combination always works. Okay, simple 1610 161C and 1710 171C. This is the combination we have already maintained the system. Then enter and see here This is the transfer posting, then material number, then quantity. Here I'm going to put some 10 BSX of transfer, or I can say 5. Okay. Then this is the stock keeping unit. 50 is the stock keeping unit. This is the unit of entry which you are going to transfer. Okay. And where you can see 301 moment time, where transfer of one plant to another plant. This is the plant where we are going to issue. And partner, there is no partner in this case. Okay. Then check it. So it is asking for the header text. Add here. This is mandatory here. And get into this item. Okay. Check. So document is okay. Then post it. So now this material document generated. This is called one-step process without STO. Without purchase order, you can post the material and stock will be available in the receiving plant. So how to see that? Go to, sorry, I'll just display here. Now I'll display the material document. Enter. So here I can show you very clearly. After posting, when you display the material document, destination plant destination details is very clear that this is the plant, this is the material store location, and this is the from location where 2 ton material is issued with this plant with this store location. Okay, how this 301 and 303 and 305 will work? This is two-step method. Okay, I'm taking a little more time, but definitely this is going to help you to understand very clear way. Okay, this is one step. I know there are other training videos are there which is similar to this only, but you can refer any videos in YouTube. Okay, two-step method. I'll show you the same scenario. Material, I'll copy, then go to MyGo and do here transfer posting, and here I'm going to enter 303 manual entry. So this is the plant to plant two-step. How this is going to work? When I enter material, so you have to add the plant details, then store location. Okay, when you issue the goods, means now we are removing the storage stock from the 1610. In previously it happened in a single step. Now we are using two-step. First we remove, it will be in a transit, then it will take some time to go to the destination. Receiving plant will be little far, not immediately can be done. It takes some time. So instead of doing one step, definitely should receiving person also should do the entry, and issuing plant also should do the entry in the system. Simple. Okay, so that will be always good when the plant is like not nearby, it's a little far. Okay, if it is too far and a different location, a city or a kind of state and all, right, then definitely always go with the STO process only instead of transfer posting. Okay, here it is asking for the destination. So destination, see, I'm not putting, user is not putting any store location, just he or she is adding the plant where exactly it should be reached. Okay, just you can see the observation previously one step and two step. Enter here and check it. Okay, now it is asking for the header text. I'll do that. Simple. Enter, check. Okay, now this is saying quantity is not entered. Okay, let's put the file number here and then check. So checking is done, posting is done. So you'll get the transfer of material document. Okay, now I'll show this all at the end. I will show some summary to you all, so that will give you more clarity. Okay, so this is done. Then I'll copy this, duplicate side. Okay, now here I'll show you the process. Okay, so this document is posted. Now I'll receive the goods. Okay, now issue is done. Okay, so if you go to MB5T, you can see that it will be in stock in transit 161710. Enter, execute. Sorry, 610. It should show. Okay, receiving plant. issuing plant here. Okay, execute. Okay, in the transfer posting, you will not find any transit stock in transit, but in STO definitely you can find that cross company STO and all, right? So you have checked here, but in transfer posting you not find, but you can find it in MMB somewhere. You can see that transfer of stock somewhere. Okay, let's try here. 1610 161C, execute. Okay, so if I see the movements here, okay, metal movements. Okay, so here you can see 30. See, example, if I do this posting of 303, see 303 is happened today. 5 number is issued. 546, 543 is before some STO. Then we have done one step. Now 301 happened. Okay, so this is the details you can find. 303, this much of stock is uh, removed, but in 1710, if I go and see 1710 and remove this and enter this 171C, okay, execute. If I see here movements, okay, 1710 17C, this location, so I don't see any 305. 101 happened, 301 is there, 101 is there, 351 is there, but 305 is not there. So what I'll do is I'll get into MyGo screen, MyGo, and here I enter 305. Okay, so here I'm entering test material 2010. See here you don't find from, right? Directly you are putting the destination of the plant 1710 and 171C. Okay, so then it's asking you the quantity, how much quantity you're going to get. 5 number. Then here check it and put the state test, check. So okay, and post it. Another number range, a number is got generated here. Sorry. Okay. Okay, now, so how to see this tracking the same, like get into the MB51 transaction, get refresh here. So here refresh this. So some stock is got updated here. See the material movements. Then you can find here 305 moment is there. Okay, or else you can go to MB51. That's always easy to see 210 material. Remove this 1C and you can see 305 moments. How many 305 moments are there in the system? You can find that easily. You can see there are many documents which is posted from February, March, then May and June. These many stock received from the respective. How to see the respective plant, where exactly goods is issued? Open this material quantity where, so you can see here, this is the goods got placed. This is a plus quantity. See 303 issued from the particular plant, and there you can find the movements. Example, if I go here, remove this, and if I enter 303 and 305, simple, execute here. For this 210 material, you can see all the movement happened from 303, 305, you can track it accordingly. If anyone asks how much is supplied from the that plant transfer posting and how much is received, if something is not getting tallied, then you can receive it. If it is open something 303, then you can always receive in the receiving plant. So that you can do. Okay, that's it about the transfer posting and STO process. So summary is like what? So initially we have done, we have copied, we have referred this supplying plant, receiving plant, and under the same company code. Then STO, intra STO is always STO without delivery has a document type UB with the U item category. Then we have created this particular STO, and this is the number range which you can see in SPRO. Go to SPRO, get into the material management node, purchasing, purchase order. Okay, purchase order here. Then define a document type. So here you can find UB document type and respective number ranges. How to see the number ranges here? First search UB, and here you can see UB has number range which is 21. So how to go and check the 21 number range? Get into this, define number ranges, intervals, and here 21. Here 21 you can see 57 series. The last number range which we created 2 to 3. This is the purchase order which we created. You can see the status of the purchase order and how to see the number ranges for goods received and all. Always go to inventory management. Okay, inventory management, physical inventory. Here you can see number assignment, define number assignment for material and physical inventory document, execute here, and here you can find the intervals. So you have got this 8 series number range, see 8000549. Where exactly this is going to assign? How to assign this particular number range XX to which one? This is some year we can see 999 something they enter, and let's go to assignment part. Okay, here if you see settings for, just a moment, define, okay, define number assignment of accounting. So here you can see goods received document type, click on this, and here if I see MyGo GR, okay, this is a document type. You can see WE is always for goods received and WE is for always goods issue. Okay, here you can see this is a goods received, and here you can see goods issue. The goods issue document type MyGo always WA, and how to link. Okay, just a moment, like set up financial accounting. This is, I think, financial accounting. So here I don't think you'll get WE. Okay, WE is there, sorry. Here if you open WE, check this, and here you can see number range is 01 for the accounting entries and all. So in this number range, if I go here, I don't want to confuse you, get into the MIGO. Okay, here when I display some accounting document, right, that number range I'm going to show you. This is 547 document info, FI document. There is no document. So for some entry, there is a FI document, right? I think this one. Okay, this is like goods issue. For this FI document is there? No. Wait, I'll go to ME23N. Open this particular moment. 543. So 543 has FI document. So how this number range is picked up? 40000011 accounting document, because of this. Whenever we receive the goods, 01 number range, 01 number range has that one. Okay, let me show that. So go here, intervals. So 01. There are many 01s are there. Okay. This one is for 2201. Let's show you this is material document. There will be financial document. Okay, here. Accounting documents, accounting, financial account document. We have checked this. Okay, for the goods receipt, we have number range here 01, number range information, company code. I am going to enter 1710, enter, intervals. Okay, so here I am going to show you the particular number range, like 4 series is picked up. Number is 12 and 2022. Maybe some linkage is there, that okay, goods receipt and this accounting, but now this number range picked up for the accounting document. Okay, 12 number range picked up. So other area you can check, like example, if I want to see for WA goods issue, there's a goods issue, and here you can see the number range. Can't see here, sorry, number range 12 is correctly picked up. Okay, 840 543. 543 is the, this one, I got confused. This is posted. This has a FI document like 4 series, right? So goods issue 12 number range. So 12 is here. Say open here, number range information for a 12 and company code 1710. So interval is 12. This one is picked up. Four series, like this is number range picked up this to this. Okay. If I do some goods receipt, definitely this number range will picking up. Let me do one thing, simple scenario for you guys to make you understand. What I'll do is I'll just do 210, go to my go, and I will do goods receipt quickly. Enter other, enter. Here I can do 561. Better understanding for the stock entry. Okay, not reservation, other. Enter. Material. Enter. I'll just receive 10 number here. Just to show the movement and all. Stock plant 1710, 16171C. And check it. For checking, add this test. Check. And post. Now see. We got this number generated. Okay, goods receipt. Then I'll just display this document. Accounting document. I'll go to this document number info FI document. Definitely it should generate some number, right? Accounting document. This number is generated in the system. Okay, so this is picking up from the 12 only. Maybe the setting we have to check. Anyway, that is number range picking from here only. Okay, so even if you want to see the number range for this material movements and all. Okay, let's get into the inventory goods receipt and goods issue, transfer posting, everything you can see here, all the setting for the goods receipt and all. And then setting for goods movement, selection of field selection for MyGo, you can find here which fields will be required, display, hide and all. You can work out here on this. Then okay, then what else? Number assignment we can find here only. Most of things define number assignment for accounting document, define number assignment for the material document. So if I get into this intervals or maybe this intervals or groups, then check with the groups. Okay, here if I click on the group, there I can find WE goods receipt for purchase order. I'll just open this one. So here you can see WE is under XX. Simple. W is XX. Everything they have managed to put in this XX group only. Now, if I want to see now every number range has got same, right? Simple thing is that for the goods issue also the same number range, goods receipt also same number range. But I want to have a different number range. What I can do is I can put this number range to a WA to this. Okay, what I can do is I just change here. I'll shift WA goods receipt. I'll just search here. I'll put WA into different group. Okay, I'll take this and I change here, change group. Sorry, this one element, and here I can change the goods issue part. So now everything is moved into XX, right? I'll put this goods receipt is 03 normally. See, now someone is shifted that. So I'll say I'll push into this RL. I'll take RL. Now you see this material WA is moved into RL. So if I save, so RL is a number range. What number range is there? RL. If I open here, so RL has number range of this 49 series, right? So I'll do some simple goods issue activity for the STO. What I'll do is I'll go to ME23N and open this purchase order. I'll create quickly another purchase order. It took little time, I know, but this knowledge is very important for you all. So I'm just adding this particular purchasing document number. Then copy this details, save. And now I'm going to issue the goods for this particular purchase order. Okay, go to MyGo and the goods issue, purchase order number 351 moment type. So quantity, everything is okay. Where I'll just put this 170, 160, 171C. Okay, no hits for, okay, this 160, 16010 issue is there. No, I'm going to do the issue, sorry. Item okay, and put the header text here. Check it, just I'm doing it for the number range testing, okay? So I'll just do the check. Goods issue, which number range? See, number range for trans event type WA in year 2022 does not exist. This issue was not there, right? But now we are facing this issue. How to fix this? Okay, this is standard issue. Okay, I'll put this error. This is one kind of error which you can showcase. You can discuss about this much in the interview also, what kind of error faced and how to solve this. So always go to this RL, right? And here intervals. So RL is not maintained, I think. Here if I come down, see this is for 2021, it is there, okay? So if I maintain, edit, go to edit, insert year, select an interval, okay? Let me add this. Here I can insert year 2022, this number range, and save it. Okay, this is got copied. Now this is got saved. Okay, now simple. Get into MyGo again. So this is the learning for you all, how to manage the number range. Enter here, enter the details, quantity, everything's okay. Add this details, item okay, check. So material document is okay, now coming. Now I post it. See, this document number got generated. So this got picked up from the number range which we have maintained in the background. So now if I go and check this, so status will be getting changed. So if I go back to, sorry, I got C's, I closed it. Let me go to SPRO. This need a lot of patience to get into all these things. Okay. Material management, then purchasing, sorry, under inventory management, go to number assignment, define this, then see the intervals. Okay. So if I come to RL, this was before 0. Now see, you can have a 10 intervals, like 8, you can generate another 10 number, again it will keep on increasing the number. Okay, so there will be an option. So you can find there are many number ranges are there. You can manage accordingly which part, like for transfer posting I want some number ranges, goods issue I want some number ranges. I think W so like let me add here, WE is for goods received, and WA is for document type for goods issue, and WI is for, I think, physical inventory or transfer posting. I am not sure. Let me check once. Document type for transfer posting is WI. There are few document types are there for each and every moment, like GR, GI, transfer posting, and physical inventory also. Another number range you can set up for the when you're generating the material document. I hope this session is useful for all. So thank you. And if anything is missed out here in this experience sharing, definitely you can comment and ask. Thank you.